You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 10. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 10 over 15 from both sides. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 15 over -7. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 10.